our friends. I am Simple Vishwakarma. I am from Godham. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I am here to tell about my mother's topic. Now start. My mother name is Mrs. Sakuntala Devi. My mother is God's best gift to me. She takes care of everyone in the house. She gets up early in the morning. She gets every day. She cooks delicious food for us. She is very loving, caring, and hardworking. My mother is my first teacher. She teaches me good manners. My mother is my best friend. I tell all my secret to my mother. She is the most she is the most important person in my life. I love my mother too very much. Now I want to finish my topic. Thanks for listening to me.